Elon Musk. Shiba Inu insane pump minus $50,000 now. What are the prospects of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency? What are the latest news about this cryptocurrency? We will answer these questions in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Investment Channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. The live Shiba Inu price today is $0.000011 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $301 million USD. We update our SHIB to USD price in real time. Shiba Inu is down 2.47% in the last 24 hours. While SHIB investors are waiting for a new peak, asset volatility and trading volume have decreased over the past few days. This shows that the consolidation phase occurred before the new movement. Usually, a price stuck in a narrow range is seen as a sign of a subsequent serious breakthrough. During this period, a narrow trading range was formed for the SHIB price between the support levels of $0.000050 and the resistance of $0.00055. The fact that the pair managed to break out of the descending triangle indicates that the downtrend has stopped, at least for the moment. If the bulls are fully engaged, they can push the SHIB coin to an uptrend again. As investors seek to consolidate profitable positions, big steps are taking place in the cryptocurrency market, and recently the leading Ethereum whales have switched their assets from SHIB to other coins. This move removed the popular meme coin from their top 10 asset list. Shiba Inu is also feeling the effects of the recent price drop. Investor confidence in cryptocurrency is low due to the collapse of FTX. However, some investors are still optimistic about the growth of cryptography with wider adoption and use. Important whale stats data shows that the top 100 whales in the Ethereum blockchain have switched to the side of the SHIB coin. This step makes crypto observers wonder if there is hope for a token. The recent hacking and subsequent theft of Ethereum tokens from FTX may also play a role in this decision. Shiba Inu has shown signs of life, jumping 5.94% in the last 24 hours. The price of the token increased from $0.000935 to $0.00000990. SHIB showed a long green hour candle. This represents a jump in price levels that have persisted since November 22, when the price was at $0.00000821. The price of SHIB has increased up to 20% compared to the previous price. In 7 days, the number of Shiba Inu increased to 8.38%, showing signs of a positive trend. However, it is still 88.91% below the historical high of $0.00008845 reached on October 28, 2021. However, whales are dumping SHIB assets. This is still relevant for investors. According to Whale Stats, last weekend the whales excluded SHIB from their list of top 10 assets. The whales have now shifted their attention to other altcoins such as Mana and Steth. These two assets occupy the first place in the list and have a large amount of ownership among whales. Also in the top 10 were Ant, Eng, UTK, CVC, TKN, Dawn and SNT. SHIB is also missing from the list of the top 20 whales. On the contrary, the rich list on the Whale Stats platform shows that the largest Ethereum investors still own Shiba Inu assets. The main whale on this list has a whopping 18,113,302,496 SHIBs worth $178,053,759. Other ETH whales have SHIB worth about $100 million or less. The top 10 whales behind the largest are the whalehold ETH, from $98 to $100 million in SHIB tokens each. It's been more than a year since Shiba Inu reached its staggering all-time high, and so far the token whales remain unperturbed in the face of declining performance. The evidence of this relentless loyalty was once again demonstrated when one of the leading SHIB whales spent an amount on an intelligent blog to collect a 2.8 trillion token. According to the Etherscan transaction, the accumulated amount was $26.12 billion, taking into account the value of SHIB at the time of publication. It should be noted that this particular whale was notorious for capturing SHIB in incredibly huge numbers. Upon closer examination of the wallet, it turned out that in the period from November 9 to November 10, the whale accumulated SHIB in the amount of about $2.3 million. After the operation, SHIB showed that he was still in an unusable condition. This happened because the meme coin was able to increase only 1.57% in the last 24 hours. Based on the daily chart, the convergence divergence of moving averages, MACD, showed that SHIB has the potential to restore sustained bullish strength. This was due to the fact that the exponential moving average, EMA, from 12 to 26 closed above the histogram. However, the strength of sellers, orange, and buyers, blue, was below the midpoint. The graph above showed that both were moving towards a positive area. Consequently, there was a possibility of switching to bullish control, especially since the purchasing power slightly exceeded the sellers. The balance volume, OBV, readings showed proximity to the bullish area. Thus, an indication that a further increase on the chart may mean strong buying pressure. As for its status in the chain, SHIB has suffered a sharp drop due to its stock inflows. According to Sentiment, the inflow of currency initially rose to $223 billion on December 8. At the time of publication, it has decreased to $25.16 billion. The explanation for this decline was that SHIB investors refused to reset the token. Consequently, this signaled less pressure from sellers. Foreign exchange outflow, on the contrary, decreased to $17.74 billion. Since it was a downturn, he concluded that the buying pressure was also not exceptional. Thus, the likely trend for SHIB will remain around $0.000009. Shiba Inu news. The Shiba Inu Metaverse team is holding a holiday fireside chat as the end of year 2022 approaches. While there could be some big surprises, the chat could predominantly be centered around the project's future plans. Over the last few months, the memecoin project saw many upgrades. The upcoming fireside chat will be hosted by the official Shiba token community in a Discord event. The agenda for Shiba Inu Metaverse Holiday Fireside Chat will be doing a roundup of end-of-the-year plans. Also, the discussion could be around what comes next for the project. The hosts will also be giving one participant a free SHIB, the Metaverse Silver Furland. Using the SHIB token, land in the Shiba Inu Metaverse can be bought thanks to the update introduced earlier in 2022. Meanwhile, the community could be looking forward to the new surprises the team promised, besides the 2022 roundup. An invite to the event said, "Time is ticking down to the end of the year. Come hang with the Metaverse team while we go over the end of the year and discuss what comes next." Based on total market cap, Shiba Inu is currently 6 places behind its rival Dogecoin, Doge, which is ranked 8th among cryptocurrencies. As of writing, SHIB price stands at $0.0000916, up 0.57% in the last 24 hours, according to price tracking platform CoinMarketCap. SHIB has been trading within the current price range in the last 2 weeks as the crypto market struggles to the FTX-related bloodbath. In this context, a short jump to $0.000096 range could potentially mark the beginning of recovery rally for the meme coin, according to latest reports. It also remains to be seen if any surprise Shiba Inu news from the Metaverse Fireside Chat would bring a price rally for the token. The event is scheduled for December 8, Thursday at 8 p.m. Est. Shiba Inu's governance token, BONE token price increased by 10%. BONE serves as the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain's gas token and is part of the DEX's governance system. The Shibarium blockchain is currently under development and is anticipated to launch with a variety of use cases for the token. BONE ShibSwap is made to perfectly complement SHIB and Leash, another token that, in terms of supply and circulation, is a meme altcoin. With the help of the governance token BONE, the Shiba Inu community, or the SHIB army, can vote on upcoming proposals from the community-run, decentralized Doggy DAO. Voting will choose which new trading pairs will be added to the decentralized Shiba Swap exchange, DEX. BONE is a Shiba Swap ecosystem governance token that will allow the hashtag ShiBARMY to vote on upcoming proposals. The more BONE a user possesses, the greater the weight of their vote in these future endeavors. BONE has a total supply of 250 million tokens and is intended to fit perfectly between the previous 2 tokens in terms of circulation supply. The Uphold Cryptocurrency Exchange's announcement of the token's listing was one of the elements that raised the price of the token by 10% in last 7 days. The cryptocurrency trading platform announced on November 30 that BONE was one of 7 alternative coins it was listing on its exchange. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.